In previous class, I had solved 5 number questions of exercise 3.2 and only 2 questions have been left in this exercise. I hope that you can solve last 2 problems, 6 number and 6 number, and after that we are going next exercise 3.3. In this exercise we have to solve 2 linear equations by substitution method. Solving simultaneous linear equations by algebraic method. We have studied graphical method in previous exercise, and in this chapter exercise solving linear equations by algebraic method. First method is called substitution method. In this method, we substitute the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of the other variable to solve the pair of linear equations. That is why the method is known as substitution method. In this method, among 2 linear equations, we express one variable in terms of other variables and substitute this value of one variable in terms of x in other equations. This gives the value of x, and if we put this value in second equation, we get the value of y. So this method is very important and easy. Now I am going to solve one problem. I am going to solve an equation using by substitution method. Substitution method. I'm going to solve from example 7. Example 7. Solve the following pair of equations. Solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. For solving, solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. Substitution method. In Hindi, it is called प्रतिस्थापन विधि. समीकरण को हल करने की बहुत सी विधियां हैं. There are so many methods for solving the equations. Among these methods, substitution method is very important and easy method for solving an equation. So here is your equation. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. One equation, and other is x plus 2y barabar 3. X plus 2y is equal to 3. We have to find the value of x and y. from these equations. First method, step 1 is express y in terms of x in one of the given equation. इस दो समीकरणों में से किसी एक समीकरण से y को x के पदों में व्यक्त करना है. दोनों में से दो समीकरण है. Two linear equations are given, and from these two equations, from one equation, we have to express y in terms of x. So, from equation 2, x plus 2y is equal to 3. Yeah, 2y is equal to 3 minus x. Yeah, x is equal to 3 minus x by 2. Putting the value of y in equation 1. Putting the value of y in equation, putting the value of y in equation 1, we get 7x minus 15 into, in place of y, we write 3 minus x by 2. 3 minus x by 2 is equal to 2. अथवा 7x अथवा 14x minus 15 into 3 minus x by 2 is equal to 2. Yeah, 14x minus 15, 3 is 45, minus plus 15x by 2 is equal to 2. Yeah, 14x plus 15x. Yeah, 29x minus 45 by 2 is equal to 2. By cross multiplication, 29x minus 45 is equal to 4. Yeah, 29x is equal to 45 plus 4 is equal to 49. Yeah, x is equal to 49 by 29. In this way, we obtain the value of one variable from the given equation. Value of x is equal to 49 by 29. Now, again we put the value of x in equation 3. Again, putting this value in equation 3. In equation 3, we have y is equal to 3 minus 49 by 29 49 by 29 by 2 is equal to, y is equal to 87 minus 49 by 29 by 2 is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8, and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 38 by 29 into 2. 29 into 2. Dividing by 2, 19. 19 by 2. Hence the value of x, hence x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 2. In this way, we can find the value of x and y from the equation by substitution method. Pratisthapan vidhi. Here we have two linear equations, 7x minus 15y barabar 2 and x plus 2y barabar 3. And we have to find the value of x. By substitution method, we express y in terms of x from one of these two equations. दो समीकरणों में से किसी एक समीकरण में से y को x के पदों में व्यक्त करते हैं, and after that we put the value of y in next equation, then we get the value of x. So this method is called substitution method, Pratisthapan vidhi. Here we have y is equal to 3 minus x by 2. Suppose equation number 3. It is called equation number 3. Now on putting the value of y in equation 1, we have 7x minus 15 into 3 minus x by 2 barabar 2. Solving, we have y is equal to, we have 29x minus 45 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 49 by 2. Here, we have x is equal to 49 by 2, 29, and after that, putting this value in equation number 3. Equation number 3, y is equal to 3 minus 49 by 29, and after solving, we get y is equal to 19 by 2. Hence, x barabar 49 by 2, 29, 49 by 29, and y is equal to 19 by 2. So, we can solve all equations of exercise 3.3 by substitution method. And one more example I am going to solve. Example 8. Example 8. In example 8, solve question number 1 of exercise 3.1 by the method of substitution. Solve question number 1 of exercise. Solve question number 1 of exercise of exercise 3.1 by substitution method. I had taught you exercise 3.1. In exercise 3.1, exercise 3.1, we have to solve an equation by graphical method. And I had said that on one class, online class, it is not suitable by graphical method. So in example 8, we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.1 by substitution method. In question number 3.1, Aftab tells his brother, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. आफ्ताब अपनी पुत्री से कहता है कि 7 वर्ष पहले मैं तुमसे 7 गुने उम्र का था. वेयर देन ऑल्सो 3 years फ्रॉम नाउ, और अभी से 3 वर्ष बाद मैं तुमसे 3 गुने उम्र का हो जाऊंगा. इज नॉट दिस इंटरेस्टिंग? क्या यह मनोरंजक नहीं है? रिप्रेजेंट दिस सिचुएशन algebraically and graphically. Here we let us suppose that present age of Aftab be x years. Let by substitution method. By substitution method, let present age of Aftab be x years and present age of daughter and present age of daughter be y years. According to the first condition, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. According to first condition, we can write y is equal to x is equal to, because present age of Aftab be x years, so according to first condition, x is equal to x minus 7. 7 years ago, to represent 7 years ago, we can write x minus 7 is equal to 7 times y minus 7. This is your first condition. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Yeah, x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Side change, x minus 7y is equal to 7 minus 49 is equal to 7 minus 49 is equal to minus 42. Equation number 1. First part of this question, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Now, second condition is that 3 years from now, अभी से 3 वर्ष के बाद आफ्ताब का उम्र. सेकंड कंडीशन, again x plus 3 is equal to 3 into x plus 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. X plus 3 into 3 to y plus 3. Solving the equation, x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9, x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. This is the second condition of this question. X plus 3 is equal to 3 into y plus 3, अथवा x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9, या x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Suppose equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve by substitution method. So I had taught that to solve by substitution method, at first express y in x. So from equation 2, express in terms of x, express y in terms of. So from equation 2, from equation 2, x minus 6 is equal to 3y. By transposition, x minus 6 is equal to 3y, या y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. Consider it equation number 3. On putting the value of y in equation 1, on putting the value of y in equation 1, we get x minus, we get x minus 7 into value of y equal to x minus 6 by 3. X minus 6 by 3 is equal to x minus 6 by 3, x minus 7 into x minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 42. Yeah, 3x minus 7 into x minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 42. Yeah, 3x minus 7x plus 42 is by 3 is equal to minus 42. Yeah, minus 4x, 3x minus 7x minus 4x plus 42 is by 3 is equal to minus 4x plus 42 by 3 is equal to minus 42. Yeah, minus 4x plus 42 is equal to minus 126 by cross multiplication, minus 126 minus 4x plus 42 equal to minus 120. Yeah, minus 4x is equal to minus 42 minus 126 is equal to minus 168. 168. Here both sides are equal sign, so we make positive sign. X is equal to 168 by 4. Dividing x is equal to 42. Here we had considered x is equal to present age of Aftab, so x is equal to 42. Now on putting x is equal to 42 in equation number 3. 42 in equation 3. In equation 3, y is equal to 42 minus 6 by 3 is equal to 6. 36 by 3 is equal to 2. Here 42. Hence the present age of Aftab is equal to 42 years. Aftab is equal to 42 years, and the daughter is equal to 12 years old. So in this way I can solve the value of x and y by substitution method. Again I am going to clear this problem of exercise 3.1. Here let us suppose that present age of Aftab be x years and present age of daughter be y years. Then according to first condition, x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7, and solving this equation, insert the equation. Solving condition first, x minus 7 y minus 42, and according to second condition, x plus 3 बराबर 3 into y plus 3, या x minus 3y बराबर 6. Now we express y in terms of x from equation 2. X minus 6 is equal to 3y, या y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. On putting the value of y in equation number 1, we get x minus 7 into value of y is equal to x minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 42, या 3x minus 7 into x minus 6 by 3 बराबर minus 42, and solving we have x is equal to 42. Hence the present age of Aftab be 42 years, and putting the value of x in equation number 3, we get the value of y is equal to 12. Hence the present age of daughter is equal to 12 years. And using this method, by substitution method, next examples, only 2 examples, 9 and 10 are in your NCERT book, and after that you can try. Thank you.